See, he's sitting there waiting. I can't believe that. Alright. 80? You're doing good.
It's just you and I, my friend. And my clothes don't fit me no more.
Alright. It's good. 80. Run on.
The night is falling.
Where'd it go? Nice.
Feel myself fading away.
I guess we won't get off there.
No. Good. Next.
Sedona traffic, Gulfstream 400 Foxtrot Juliet is taking the runway at Alpha 6 behind the Bonanza to taxi down for full-length departure runway 21 Sedona.
Hold tight. There you go.
Sedona area traffic, red and white Bonanza is clear, runway 3, Sedona. Okay, your plane.
Alright, my plane.
Just as planned, huh? How does that happen?
A little busy today. I don't want to. I'm going to do this.
Oh, okay. Oh, damn, he did like a... It's like a freaking, what do you call it?
Alright, straighten the wheel out so I can push it back. There
Oh, you can
go.
push it back?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I've tried to stop you because you were right on it.
Yeah, we pretty much.